Hey, Connor here, and welcome to Neversink Gardening Basics. Okay, you do these like that. This is my family garden, and this is where we grow food for our family. And today I want to talk about raised beds. It's not something I do at the farm. It's just not something official at the farm, but in a little garden, it's just a great space saver. You can grow things in a really, really tight space. Makes it a little bit more comfortable when you're working in it. You don't have to bend down as far. They're incredibly easy to make. I used to make some out of stone. Back when I first started gardening, we had raised stone beds that looked incredible. And those work really, really nice. Those are a lot of work though. The wood ones are really easy. You know, the hard part comes in when you're filling it. You know, filling it can be a chore. Because you know, you don't realize it, but it's a lot of volume of soil. But in here I mixed some peat and compost, regular soil, potting soil, fertilizer, and just layered it and mixed it. And hoping it's going to grow well this year. These are brand new to the garden. You know, I'm hoping it's a place that the family can, you know, harvest all their vegetables and we can spend time together in and kind of huddle around it and it's a good place to put just a few plants, right? Rather than the bedding system where I fill up a whole bed with one type. We can just try a few different things. Yeah, the first idea I had for the raised bed, one of them at least, was to put all the perennial herbs in. Because it's not like I need, you know, a lot of each plant. So this way I can put a whole mixture of herbs in one bed and have one place to go for all the herbs. Plus it looks really beautiful because herbs flower, they look great, you know, they have different heights. Yeah, so I can't wait to see how it's going to turn out, right? We just planted them. These were created in our prop house from cuttings. So I'm hoping in a few weeks they'll really fill out, look gorgeous.